Hello there, Crystal from the SimplyWise team here. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to create an invoice without an estimate. Based on popular demand, we had a lot of requests for the ability to create invoices without having to go through the whole process of setting up an estimate. So you asked, we listened, and we have it here for you. So to get started, you want to navigate to your home screen, which is where the blue Create button is located on the lower right-hand corner. Once you tap there, you'll see a few different options pop up. You have Estimate as your first one, Invoice, and then Render. We're going to focus on the Invoice feature. So tap that second icon that states Invoice, and here it brings you to your Create Invoice screen. At the very top, you still have the option to import data from an estimate, but we're going to bypass that because we don't want to pull in anything from the estimate. We just want to issue a simple invoice and get it over to our client so that we can collect our payment and get started with our project. At the very top, there's your issue date, your due date, and your invoice number. You can completely customize that information. Underneath of that is your client field, where you can select the client that you want to set the invoice for. Under there is the items field. You can go ahead and input your item that you want to include on your invoice there. So we're going to deliver a load of 57 gravel. At a price of $600. We have one too many zeros. Okay, so we've put in our product there. We've given it a name. We have our quantity and our unit price. Once you have that entered, then you want to tap Save. If you need to add more items, let's say you have a delivery fee, you can also add that in, or if you have other items, just continue tapping the blue check mark until you've entered in all of your items. If you require a deposit, you can tap on the plus mark under the deposit. Let's say we want a 50% deposit up front. We want to use it as a percentage. We're going to tap Save. So now our client knows, in order for me to get this load ordered, I need to go ahead and put down a deposit on it. Payment methods. Let's say we're going to take cash on this one. If you have other payment methods that you want to use, you can certainly tap that plus mark and you have your list of options there. For this example, we just want to work with the one payment method, cash. There's no photos here and there's no notes that we need to input. But if you have images of your project, let's say you took a picture of the project, or you already have an image rendered where it shows the after, you can include that here. And then if you have any additional notes, then you can tap the plus mark under the notes section and add those notes there. Once all of that's completed and you're ready to move forward, tap Next. And you're going to select the folder where you want to save it. We're going to use our green draft estimates folder and tap Continue. And here it's going to give us the opportunity to download the invoice if we want to. We can download it directly to our device. We can send it, we can edit it, and we can even mark the deposit as paid. So if our client Bob's already given us our $300 down payment and we want to go ahead and update that before sending it, we certainly can. And once you're ready, you can tap Send, and it would allow you to send directly to your client. Okay, so quick and easy way to bypass the whole estimate piece, creating a quick invoice. You can do this at any time, even prior to sending an estimate, or if it's something simple, like for this example was a load of 57 gravel. We don't need a whole estimate for this. We just need a simple invoice so we can drop that load once that invoice has been paid. Hope you found this video helpful. Please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.